Want curly hair? You'll need hairspray. A whole lot of hairspray. Here's my handsome honey.
Wow.
Hey! I'm so happy to see you. Catch me! The problem with long straight hair is that it gets stuck in absolutely everything. Ouch! Your long blonde tentacles stole my glasses again. Thanks, honey. I'll just borrow them for a minute. What a beautiful day for a date! Oh no! My worst enemy is coming towards me! I can feel that she wants to steal my boyfriend! A direct hit with my long hair, but my opponent dodged! Today's your lucky day, brunette, but you better stay away from my boyfriend! Christy's long hair keeps trying to sit at my desk. Are you done yet? No? Okay, you asked for it. Time for radical measures. Cutting off her hair. I bet she'll have her hair up in a bun from now on. Ah! What have you done? You ruined my hair! This is way too much. My hair looks perfect today. So smooth and even. My bangs cooperated too. Wonderful. Now I'll put on my hat. Wow, I'm a goddess! Right up until I take off my hat. My bangs led a hair rebellion while I was distracted, and here's the result. My hair looks like a haystack. Hey, Jackie, put your hat back on. Trust us. Aw, man, my bangs are going to take a short break. Time to straighten my bangs. Just be careful not to go overboard with the flat iron. Kristy, you spent too much time on social media. Are you done yet? No? Okay, I think I can put the flat iron away now. Ah! My hair! My bangs are ruined! Once a month, I go to the barber to straighten my unruly curls. It takes a long time and costs a lot of money, but I'm so happy when my hair is straight. I feel like a whole new person. Unfortunately, high humidity ruins everything. Why did it have to rain today of all days? Goodbye, my beautiful straight hair. Welcome home, curls. It's just a regular day at home. But then my boyfriend called to tell me he's about to come over, which means I need to get ready for a date ASAP. I washed my hair yesterday. I can just put on lipstick and I'm ready. Oh no! What's wrong with my bangs? My hair is clean, but my bangs are so greasy. I guess I'll have to work fast. Washing bangs on their own is a complicated procedure. Just don't get water on the rest of your head. Now, dry your bangs. And you're ready to go. Before the elevator gets here, I'll take a couple selfies. Just don't get carried away, or the elevator will leave you along with your hair. Ah! Open the doors! Let my hair go! Good night, curls! But after sleeping, your curls turn into a bird's nest on your head. Oh no! My hair had another revolution overnight! I need to make it calm down. This happens every morning. One dark and stormy night, I got a visit from it. Honey, why won't you turn on the light? I can't find my hairbrush. Ah, here it is. Hey, sweetie, is everything okay? It's like you've seen a ghost. I want bangs. What, like it's hard? It's just trimming a couple loose hairs. I can do it myself. Operation Bangs failed miserably. I don't look like a femme fatale. I look like a feral chipmunk. It's a disaster. How can I fix this? I'll need the help of a pro. Can you fix my clumsy mistake? I can't go out in public with this tuft of shame on my head. The hairdresser will make everything right again. Taming bangs is her specialty. Now I look like Beauty and not like the Beast. But the next morning, oh no, it's back! My bangs grow so fast. Maybe my hair is a mutant? Curly hair always makes you look taller. Is a rude jock bothering you? He has no idea who he's messing with. As soon as I unleash my hair, I look way more intimidating. My curls give me a couple extra inches. Who's taller and stronger now, huh? That day has finally come. I'm sick of having bangs. Let's see what I can do. Pin my bangs up. Not an option. I'll have to wait for my bangs to grow out. It's taking forever. My bangs grow a millimeter a year. Well, is it done? No. How about now? It's still not enough. Maybe my ruler is broken? Ugh, my bangs are still here. Good news, hats exist. I can hide my bangs and go out with a clear forehead. After I shower, I need to dry out my majestic curly mane. Gonna be here until lunch. And my hair is still gonna be wet. How can I speed up this process? Here's the answer. Put a bag on your head. Insert the dryer. And dry your hair just like that. It's way faster. And now your curls are perfectly dry. I'm inviting you out for breakfast. Whoa, it's like a dream come true. But I have a zit on my forehead. What should I do? Good thing I have bangs. They'll hide all my forehead flaws. I'll brush them out. And now my pimple is hidden under a hair curtain. Hi! Phew, I ran so fast to get here that I'm hot now. No big deal. Waiter, could you please open a window for us? Unfortunately, the breeze didn't just cool me down. It also revealed my secret. Oh, honey, what's wrong with your forehead? My pimples are out in the open. Get ready for the inevitable. If your hair is thick and curly, you won't be able to wear a single thing on your head. And even helmets. Everything bounces off this curly trampoline. Maybe my girlfriend's hat will fit? It's better than nothing. Thanks! Girls with long, straight hair make interesting companions. Hey, Holly, your hair is in my personal space. I can't do anything about this. I'll have to change seats. Unfortunately, that didn't help either. Now Rosie's hair is attacking me. I can't handle this. Let's go to a club for bald people instead. Did you like our selection of hair problems? Then comment below and tell us what kind of hair you have. Straight or curly? Or do you have bangs? And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss any funny new videos all about hair from Troom.